example 4, we're going to find n again and ah. Okay. So we got two lines, this guy and this one, and they are perpendicular. Okay? What is the value of n? Alright, we're trying to find out what number is this guy right here. So negative 1 over 2? Shot in the dark?
Oh, but you can't find it in general.
Yeah, be careful, right? Even though there's something in front of x or y, you don't know what the slope is yet. Well, you can't read it directly from the equation. But you do know that the slopes of two perpendicular lines are what of each other? Negative reciprocals, right? So if I found the slope of both lines, hopefully I'd be able to find some way of finding n. Right? If I found the slopes, hopefully that would give me some indication. So let's do that. Okay? I'll do this one in blue and I'll do this one in green. Okay? So 6x minus ny plus 5 is 0. To find the slope, I'm going to turn it into what form? Slope intercept.
I was confused at that.
Okay? It's alright. So that would be negative 6x minus 5. And then what do I do after that?
Do the other one.
I'm not done yet. What do I divide everything by? Negative n. Right? If I knew what n was, I would divide everything by that. Right? So that's what we do. Even still, even though we don't know what n is, we treat it like we knew it. And we go as far as we can with it. So that would give you just 6 over nx, right? The negatives cancel. Plus 5 over n. Again, the negatives cancel. Good? And then the green one, x plus 2y plus 4 is 0. Again, solve for y, putting it into slope-intercept form. Divide everything by 2. Gives us y equals negative 1/2 x minus 2. Good. So, do we know the slopes of both lines?
Yes.
Really? Kind of. What's the slope of the green line?
1 over 2x.
Close. Negative 1 over 2. That matters. So there's the slope of the green line. It is perpendicular to the blue line. So what should be the slope of the blue line? 2 over 1 or just 2. Right?
3 is it?
So slope of this line should, whoops, come on. Oh man. Should be 2, right? Because that's the negative reciprocal of the other line that is perpendicular to. Okay? What number could you put in for n, right here, to ensure that it would work out to 2? 3, right? 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay? So, if we've made n equal to 3, that would mean that 6 over 3 is 2, which is what we wanted, right? Another way to think about it, I guess I just always think this way because my brain is so tuned to algebra, but I just think I want this expression to equal 2, right? So I think 6 over n has to equal 2. And then I solve for n, so put it over 1, cross multiply. 6 equals 2n, and then divide both sides by 2. right? And we still get n equal to 3, just like we had last time. Right. But I show you that because it's a more general way of finding n, and there's I think it's the last assignment or last question in your assignment that deals specifically with a problem like this.